In this video, I'm going to reveal the only cold email strategy you will ever need to use to get customers for your business. This is one of the most effective and efficient cold email strategies that we've ever seen. And it's the exact same strategies that companies like Quilla, HubSpot, and Warmly are all utilizing to generate millions of dollars in revenue. And agencies like The Kiln power their lead generation efforts using this method and are seeing up to 3x increases in cold email reply rates. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact step-by-step strategy that they use so you can use it also and generate revenue for your business faster and get clients pretty much on demand at scale. The cold email game has fundamentally changed. And if you're still blasting generic cold emails, chances are you're not having much success through cold email as a channel. The problem, everyone is doing it and people's inboxes are absolutely saturated. So your message probably isn't even getting seen. And even if it does, it doesn't get read, doesn't build trust, and doesn't get replies. If you want to stand out for the 100 other different vendors that are trying to reach your prospects, you need to send personalized video in order to break through the noise. Why does personalized video work? Fundamentally, we're in a trust recession. People respond to faces and not words. And video creates an instant connection with your prospects. And it goes even deeper than that. Video is a pattern interrupt. Your face in somebody's inbox is guaranteed to get more attention than plain text. And finally, video is proven to generate higher reply rates across email as a channel. It just hasn't been easy to do at scale up until now. So what about Loom? Loom is a massive company in the video space and have had a really great video solution for years. But personalized video outreach using Loom is hard. There's one major issue. Loom does not scale. You can't record 1,000 videos a day manually. So here's what I use instead. SendSpark. SendSpark makes it possible to send personalized videos at scale without recording hundreds of individual videos. The result? Way more engagement, more replies, and a faster workflow without losing that human touch. Now, SendSpark provides a variety of different ways to do that. It's basically going to have you download a Chrome extension, which you can record from, or use a desktop app like I'm kind of using today. Now, what do you actually say in the video? Videos aren't a silver bullet. And so what you need to do is prepare a script. You need to structure your message. You need to call out a specific challenge, present your solution, and end with a really solid CTA. Now, as you can see here, I've actually put high watermelon in the body of this script. One of the value adds of SendSpark versus a platform like Loom is we include AI personalization. So by including high watermelon as the placeholder phrase, that will be substituted out for the first name of the prospect as we generate these videos at scale. So for this script, I've said, hi watermelon, I saw you're hiring for SDRs, which tells me you're actively investing in outbound. I'm reaching out because we help SDR teams 3x their reply rates using personalized video. Immediately introduce the solution and why I think I can help them. Simple there, you can add to your existing outreach, stand out in crowded inboxes, and book more meetings with the same effort. In the next part of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. So as we dive into the SendSpark platform and we create one of these campaigns, and we'll name this test for YouTube, just so I can walk you through the entire workflow. I've already pre-recorded one of these videos. So as you can see here, got this video at the top that was recorded 12 minutes ago, which we're going to insert. So I've uploaded my video with a placeholder phrase. The other personalization at scale option that SendSpark provides is the ability to have a dynamic background scrolling behind you in the video. So this could be a prospect's, job hiring page or LinkedIn profile or company homepage. So you're simply going to turn that on. Moving through, this is the other foundational benefit of SendSpark. We also give you the ability to create these kind of personalized video landing pages. You can add merge tags for the prospect's first name, a little message in, thanks for watching, and again, we'll include their first name. The other thing about this personalized landing page is that you can also add multiple CTAs. So for this, we're going to do check out our case studies. And then you can also add your calendar booking link into the platform. SendSpark does integrate with every major calendar booking provider. I'm going to log into HubSpot, who we use as our CRM provider. I'm going to pull my calendar booking link immediately through. I'm now going to select HubSpot, add my calendar booking link. So when we integrate or send this through either our sales engagement platform or even just simple Gmail, when it's received by the prospect and they click in, what they're taken to is a personalized video landing page. So for the purpose of this, obviously now we're at a stage of adding contacts to the campaign. I'm going to write in a couple of kind of dummy contacts just so you can see the generation process. And then we're simply going to hit generate. All we've done is recorded that initial video with the placeholder phrase. We've set up our custom video landing pages, and now we've added prospects to the sequence for the videos to be created. So as you can see, these videos are slowly starting to generate here in the bottom right. I'm only adding a few contacts. What you could do is integrate this with your sales engagement platform and pull through 10,000, 100,000 contacts into the platform. SendSpark generates about 100 personalized videos in about a minute. And so again, mass campaigns, you'd add your contacts in, wait for a few moments, and then I kind of step away. So I'll play this one first. Ben, I saw you're hiring SDRs, which tells me you're actively investing in outbound at the moment. Reaching out because we help SDR teams 3x their reply rates using personalized videos at scale. It's a simple layer you can add to your existing. And a video for Mike. Hey Mike, I saw you're hiring SDRs, which tells me you're actively investing in outbound at the moment. Reaching out because we help. Nigel. Hey Nigel, I saw you're hiring. We've taken that one template video, we've added in contacts, and then let SendSpark's AI personalize those at scale for each and every person. Let's just say I want to send these out at scale. I'm going to use Ben first. We do integrate across every sales engagement platform, which means you can add these seamlessly into sequences. But if you are looking to send them just through Gmail, what I'm going to show you now is how you prepare the cold email copy basically to send with the video in order to draw attention. Now, the best kind of line to use when you send a video is typically something as simple as made a video for you. Now, the reason I do that is because it kind of signifies that, hey, I've actually spent time, effort, energy investing in this process or making this kind of video for you. And then what you're going to put in the body is just the hook, the observation that you've kind of included in the video. So here I've said, had an idea about how we can improve your outbound reply rate, made a video to show you how. So we're going to send that out. That for me is really good. It's a hook. It's something interesting. And then we've also included that SendSpark video. And as you'll realize, it actually displays as like this dynamic thumbnail in the body of the email. So by including this kind of very dynamic thumbnail in the experience, it's going to have like an impact of, wow, okay, you've got my website, I'm interested. And you accompany that with the hook. So they would click in and then we're taken to that beautiful video landing page. Hey Ben. Has my personalized video. It's changed the merge tag to Hi Ben. Check out our case studies, takes them to that case study page that we set up. And so it's moved from an experience that you're probably doing at the moment of like very boring, very generic to something that's hyper personalized at scale. Now in this video, I know I only showed you the cold email strategy that I'm using, but there's a whole world outside of what I just showed you. And the truth is cold email has never been easier. There are just 5 things that are making it easy mode for anyone that knows what to do. So click here to check out the next video where I walk through all of them and show you exactly how to set this up in real life. I'll see you over there.